It is National Hispanic Heritage Month, and in honor of that, we're welcoming the guys behind the Zoot Suit Riots Memorial Cruise each year to commemorate the 1943 Zoot Suit Riots.
From their classic cars to their fancy suits, they're all about spreading awareness of a culture that was on the verge of being lost. Take a look.
Órale, I'm Pachuco Manny.
Yo, this is Tootie.
Órale, soy el Chato.
We're the founders of the Zoot Suit Riot Memorial Cruise.
Oh,
Yeah. We are honoring the Zoot Suit riots that happened in 1943 because we want to bring back a forgotten era.
it is important for us to honor the traditions of our ancestors.
We started it as we want the younger generation to know about it because it's part of our history, especially the Hispanic culture.
We wear the tando, we wear the drape, we wear the chain. This is authenticity back in 1943.
The way we dress, the way we handle our vehicles, take care of them. It's all important.
There was a lot of discrimination, a lot of hatred, and that we don't want to happen again.
We hope to teach people and new generations to come about our heritage.
It's like everybody else. This respect is everything. We want others to know the culture and our inheritance. It's for everyone. We can all share and learn from it.
Oh, I
Real
love
OGs
that.
right there. Welcome Manny, Art, and Chato.
Hello, gentlemen.
Thanks for being here, gentlemen. So Art, for those who aren't familiar, man, tell us what happened during the Zoot
Well,
Suit
in
Riots.
1943, Los Angeles, over a span of 10 days, U.S. military men attack young Latinos that were wearing Zoot suits, and they were calling themselves Pachucos.
How did all those events affect the Latin culture today?
It's part of our heritage, and so we got to raise awareness. And things are no different from back in the days in the 1930s to today. Jim Crow, segregation, all that still in play. So that's why we need to raise awareness and educate our gente.
Absolutely.
So as far as like the Pachuco lifestyle, I mean, you guys are dressed nice. It's not like you see the guys with the baggy t-shirts and all shaved heads. It's like a whole nother throwback era. So how would you define the lifestyle for those who aren't familiar?
The Zoot Suit go back to the 40s, and it was a style to dress up and go nightclubbing and go swing dancing.
On looks alone, let's just talk. First of all, that feather, I am digging. I think y'all are so handsome. And what is that in your hand?
Oh, this is my palm brush. I keep it with me, and it's just my palm bruch.
What's a palm brush?
Oh, I haven't seen one of those in a minute. Those are the best. All my tios have those right there.
This is a palm brush.
The hair right there. I love that.
I don't need a mirror.
You just see he's got it.
don't need a
from the
mirror.
hair. Keeps the wig tight,
Yeah.
the mustache and everything.
Simone.
I love it. And then I love the cars too, man. Obviously classic cars.
When people see the cars out there, they're immediately drawn to the cars, and they stand there watching, they start asking questions. And that's our opportunity to educate them and fill them in, let them know about our culture.
What do you want people to take away from the cruise?
Yeah, well, it goes hand in hand. It's also music and the way we speak. Also the rancheritas, boleros, and it's just a melting pot of beautiful things.
And are you guys all right here from LA?
Born and raised.
Right there.
And
There it is.
can I ask y'all to stand up, because I want to get a full look at the whole ensembles with the chain and the pants. And who wants to take us through the key? Because first I'll start with the length of the jacket, right? It's got to be long.
Well, mine's fairly long.
Yeah.
I have 7 Zoot Suits, and so I wore the longest one.
And the hats, the
and
lids are
feather.
very good. Oh, yeah.
The lids, the drapes, the calcos, shoes.
There you go.
chain.
Chato likes to keep his buttoned up with no hat. You can't mess with the wig right
Well,
there.
he's got the palm
You
thing.
got the palm comb right there.
That's it. Absolutely. For dancing, got to be nice and loose. There's a function for it.
Right.
Yep.
That's the purpose.
No skinny jeans.
Well, you know.
That was the reason for the 42-inch long
There you
pants,
go.
so they can be able to swing dance.
Exactly. So last question, Art, what do you hope people will take away when they see you guys cruising and
Well, I hope
hang
they
out?
stop discriminating, and hopefully this all brings us together as well.
Just know there's other cultures out there.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Guys, thank you for spreading the message. for all that you do. You're welcome here anytime. Pull the cars around next time. We're ready for a ride.
Ready for a cruising right there. Gracias. All
Thank you guys for having me as
Listen,
well.
for all the information on the Zoot Suit Riots Cruise, you can follow their Instagram page.
And up next, we're counting down the top 3 viral videos you need to watch this week.